What's up everybody, it's Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be an unboxing and review video. We'll go ahead here and get started. It's just arrived in the mail today. It is a 1/43 scale Minichamps Porsche GT2 RS. One of 300 supposedly produced, and let me get this out of the way here. Go ahead here and open this up. I have not purchased a 1/43 scale Minichamps in a long time, mainly because they're pretty expensive, or they used to be anyway. This one I got on sale for $25, I think is what I paid for this. So it's yeah, this has definitely never been opened. It's still got the sleeve and everything on here. I'll slide that off. The Paul's model art little thing there's, for whatever reasons, not put on very straight, is it? A little sticker there. We'll fix that. There we go. You really can't beat these for the detail. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to dismount it off of the base, and we'll get some better shots of it here on the turntable. Pretty excited about this. It looks pretty awesome from my initial examination here of it. So I'll be right back. All right, as we can see here, this thing is pretty amazing. It's red with plenty of black carbon accents and gold center lock wheels. Really wicked right out of the gate. These cars are something else. They're $300,000 to begin with, so they're obviously really expensive. According to Porsche's website, they're 690 horsepower. I've seen people claim that they're well over 700 though, easily. 0 to 60 is like 2.7 seconds, and top speed on a track is 211 miles an hour. Pretty darn impressive for a car that you can just go right to the showroom, you know, just buy it, and pretty much right out of the box you could probably begin to race with it with basically no tweaks. But we'll go ahead here and shut it down and take a closer look at it. Sounds like my turntable is about ready to keel over here, I think. We have plenty to look at. You have the same as the GT3 RS. We have these gills on the front fenders, similar hood, it might even be exact as the GT3 RS. The scale, the decals for the carbon looks really good. I believe it's also on the mirror caps. From my eyes from here, I'm up kind of high away from the actual model obviously, but it looks really realistic, the carbon fiber patterns. This vehicle, when I pulled it out of the box, I must say I'm still not 100% sure. I'm thinking this might be resin cast. I don't know if it says anywhere on the box. Oh, it says metal on the box. It feels very lightweight to me. It almost felt like it was resin of some sort. What a wicked vehicle. Would be probably in one of my bucket list of vehicles. Would be Really awesome to own one. I actually would prefer to have a GT4 as my goal of something to own within the next few years. I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but GT4, and then the next one it would be maybe possible would be a GT3, and then of course a lofty goal would be a GT3 RS. Don't think that's ever going to happen for me personally, but never say never. GT4 though is also a really impressive vehicle for the money. As we can see here, back to, I'm kind of getting away from the vehicle that we're talking about here. We have huge yellow Brembo brakes. The rotors look pretty good. I'm not sure. I mean, we can see hat details here. I'm going to see if I can zoom up. They look really impressive, the brakes. If my camera would cooperate, that's probably the best I'm going to get it. It seems like I need a new camera, but this one, you can definitely see there's detail, many details to the rotors, the hats of the rotor, the calipers. Really impressive for the money. We even have the RS center cap logos on the center nuts on the wheel there. Nut, I should say. It's only one per wheel. Pretty impressive. And you know, the GT2 RS logos on the back. You have two inlet scoops there above the engine. Really cool. Paint job looks really well done, of course, in Minichamps fashion. It may be hard to see, but you can see there's a logo down here inside this lip, which I believe is inflatable, much like the 911 Turbo. I think that can inflate and deflate, which sounds funny to say that, but not sure if we'll be able to get a good look at the interior or not, because this is a static model after all. You can see looks like there's a yellow stripe on top of the steering wheel. Looks fairly detailed, the interior. It's kind of hard to tell when the windows are up though. Really cool. This was well worth the money. And here's the underneath. Not a whole lot to look at. We can see the catalyst there in the back. A little surprised that it doesn't have the Porsche logo across the spoiler. I thought all the ones I had seen before online, they all had, I thought they had that imprinted into the wing itself, but maybe that's an option. The mirrors look pretty well done. You can see they have little inserts. Rear taillights don't look bad. I think they are separate lenses. At first they almost look like they were imprinted onto the body, but more I look at it, I think they are separate lenses. Let's take a look at the front LEDs. They look pretty nice as well, and the Porsche logo looks good there. It's definitely plenty of car porn to look at, that's for sure. It's quite an interesting vehicle. Alright, so there you go. That is the 2018 Porsche GT2 RS. This is the 991.2 body style, and it is in red. And it doesn't say if it's guards red or not. It just says red here on the box. On video, it looks like a tint of orange to it, so I would say it probably is guards red. Pretty awesome. So there you go. That's tonight's quick little 1/43rd scale review and unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please consider it. It's free. You really can't beat free. And be sure to hit the bell for notifications of up and coming videos. And I have all types of videos, not just Hot Wheels videos, and all different scales. I started out this channel doing mainly 1/18th scale modifications and unboxings and whatnot, and it's kind of evolved into all types of videos. So it's something for everybody, that's for sure. All right, so thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. All right, have a good night. Bye now.